Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my second wall painting video. If you like my channel videos, please hit a like button, share and subscribe. Let's check out the next video now. Here I have used Asian Paints Premium Immersion Blue Color Paint. That number is 1306, and Royal Play Gold Metallic Paint. That is for designing I used. And one roller we want, or any paint brush we can use, and one stencil sheet we want. Choose any design which you want to paint, and I purchased this stencil sheet in Amazon, and all other things means paint brush, roller, these things I have purchased in paint shop only. You can purchase all these things within 500 rupees, and I have selected blue color paint for this. This one is a 900 ml paint box, and I have mixed 200 ml of water to this. First coat I have applied, and let dry for 2 hours minimum, and then give a second coat. Then again I let it dry for 2 hours. I have used Royal Play Gold Metallic paint for designing, and the number of the paint is M508. Before opening the paint box, you have to shake it for minimum 1 minute and then open it. Let's check out the designing clip now. Just stick the stencil sheet using masking tape in 4 sides, and slightly press on it. And this is not a difficult one, everyone can do without the help of painters, which will be in your budget only. And even I did, means everyone can do, and make your home looks beautiful. Let's check out the outcome of our wall paint. Thanks for watching my channel, and please do subscribe, like and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much.